Welcome to Operation Cub Swap. A plan in 3 phases.
Oh, so exciting!
Phase 1. The mice squad will sneak into the den with glider packs and install hidden cameras so we can get a better look around.
Yeah.
Phase 2, Hans and Harold will use precision stink sprays to wake the adult lions and draw them outside.
But what if the lions see us?
Get to Ron as fast as you can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Phase 3. With the lions distracted, the mice squad will open the side door. Sam and I will sneak in, swap the lion cub with the leopard cub, and leave without anybody knowing we were there.
It's the perfect plan. Everyone ready?
Ready!
All units in position.
Stinkwells in position.
My squad in position.
Good. Time for Phase 1.
My squad's going in.
Phase 1 complete. The cameras are in place.
There! The cubs!
Time for Phase 2. Stinkwells, you're up.
We'll aim our Stinkstreiks here und here. Setting tails to target mode und fire!
Oh, yuck! What's that smell? Get me away from this stink! Oh.
Quick, the lions are distracted.
Okay, my squad, open the side door.
We got a problem. Check out camera 7.
There's still a sleeping lion blocking the side door.
Is there any other way in?
Aha! Psst, psst. Up here.
Nice work, my squad. Ready for Phase 3?
Yup. Come on, little cub. Hup. We're in. Time to swap cubs.
But which one's Elliot? They all look the same. Hello, little cub. Go back to sleep. Please, please, please go back to sleep.
Sam, his eyes.
What about them?
They're blue. Leopard cubs have bright blue eyes. Lions don't.
Whiskers, it's Elliot.
You stay here with the other lion cubs, and you come with us.
What was that?
Oh no! Sam, Kit, Mayday!
Quick, let's get out of here.
Oh, we're surrounded.
What are you doing in our den with one of our cubs?
Well, you're gonna laugh. I know it looks like we've got one of your cubs, but this is actually a leopard cub. Isn't that funny?
No.
Sorry to bother you. We'll just be on our way.
I have a better idea. Why don't you all stay for dinner?
Say cheese!
Sam, hit! Run!
So much for our perfect plan.
Quick, get to Ron. Never mind, just keep running.
Keep running off that cliff.
It's either that or... Huh? Do you hear that?
Stick walls.
Sam! Kit! Jump! You made it!
Sorry, lions. No clade agents or leopard cubs on the menu today.
Oh, agents. I can't thank you enough for bringing my Elliot home.
Our pleasure, ma'am. Luckily, we had the perfect team. Another creature case closed.
Yeah!
Woo!